Today we continue our series on Las Vegas hotels. Our next stop is Aria on this edition of Traveling Joe. Hello everybody, it's Traveling Joe, and today we're at the Aria Hotel Casino in Las Vegas, Nevada. The Aria is operated by MGM Resorts. This is a mega resort and there's plenty to see and do, so let's get started. But first, if you're enjoying our videos, please be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell. The lobby at the Aria is large and bright, with extra large windows throughout. As always, I used mobile check-in, so there was no need to wait in line. Check-in is 3 p.m. and check-out is 11 a.m. Also located in the lobby is a bell desk and a concierge desk. We're all checked in, so let's head upstairs. My room was located on the 3rd floor of the hotel. Because of the design of the hotel, the hallways are curved, so it may take you a little while to get used to it. Fortunately, my room wasn't too far from the elevator. Okay, let's take a look inside. I booked a deluxe king room, and at 520 square feet, there was plenty of room to get around. The room featured triple-sheeted 300 thread count bedding. Other amenities included a 42-inch TV, a desk and workspace, and a minibar. And as with most minibars, the pricing is very expensive. The in-room safe is located in a drawer in your nightstand, and it's large enough to hold your laptop. The wardrobe is located in the foyer as you enter your room. There are 2 big closets and a set of drawers. Inside the closet you'll find an ironing board and iron, a luggage rack, and 2 robes. One of the things I always loved about the Aria was its technology. Inside every room you'll find a 10-inch tablet. Here you'll be able to control your lights, your thermostat, your TV, as well as request reservations and more. There's also a switch in your room where you can open and close your curtains. As I mentioned earlier, this is a large resort, and with over 4,000 rooms, it is among the largest hotels in Las Vegas. As a luxury resort, the rates here can be expensive, depending on the time of year. And like most Vegas hotels, they do charge a daily resort fee. One of the nicest features of the room was the large bathroom. The bathroom featured a large soaking tub and a separate shower behind a large glass door. The vanity features 2 sinks with a granite top. There's also an extra large mirror with 2 lights. You'll also find a makeup mirror, toiletries, towels, and a hairdryer. In addition, the bathroom also featured a private water closet. In my opinion, these are some of the nicest bathrooms in all of Las Vegas. The view from my room faced west, and because I was on one of the lower floors, it wasn't the best of views, but it really doesn't matter. Okay, let's head down to the casino. The casino at Aria features over 150,000 square feet of gaming space. The casino is expansive and features a contemporary and modern vibe. And unlike many of the other hotels in Vegas, this casino is not themed. There are over 1,940 slot machines at Aria. This includes many new games as well as classics. The machines feature varying denominations, from a penny all the way up to $5,000. There are also 145 table games, including blackjack, craps, roulette, high-gal poker, and more. In addition, there are electronic table games, including blackjack, roulette, and others. There's a special section just off the casino floor that offers high-end gaming. Here you'll find a baccarat room, as well as a high-limit lounge. The high-limit room features plush surroundings, as well as high-end table games and a bar. And just across the high limit room is the high-end slots room. If you're a high roller, then this is definitely the place to be. The Aria is also home to a 24-table poker room. This popular poker room features no-limit hold'em with cash games and daily tournaments. It was even featured on the World Poker Tour. Also located on the casino floor is the BetMGM Sportsbook. Here you can place wagers on just about any sport. The room boasts 90 high-definition TV screens. There's also an extra-large 220-inch TV screen. And if you're hungry, you can go to the Moneyline Pizza and Bar, which is located right at the sportsbook. I've had the pizza here, and it's really good. There are several bars and lounges at the Aria. Let's start up front at the lobby and work our way back through the casino. Located at the lobby is the Lobby Bar. This is one of my favorite bars at the Aria. The bar offers an extensive drink menu. The bar is open and airy and features live entertainment on Friday, Saturday, and Sundays. Next, located on the casino floor is Lift Bar. This is another great bar to relax. The theme here is purple, and the drink menu includes a list of purple drinks. The Lift Bar is open 24 hours a day. Also located on the casino floor is Alibi Ultra Lounge. The bar offers custom and creative cocktails. The lounge features several couches and chairs, which is a great place to sit down and unwind. Also located on the casino floor is Gem Bar. This is pretty much your standard casino bar. The bar features flat-screen TVs and video poker machines. Gem Bar is open 24/7. Next is the Sports Bar, which is located next to the MGM Sportsbook. This bar is open 24/7 as well. There are several dining options at the Aria, everything from fast food to five-star dining. Located near the lobby is Julian Serrano Tapas. This is a chic restaurant specializing in Spanish food by Chef Julian Serrano. The restaurant is noted for its small plates of authentic Spanish cuisine. Also located at the lobby is Catch. This restaurant features Asian-influenced sushi, seafood, and steak. Menu highlights include truffle sashimi, the Catch roll, and the Hit Me cake. The restaurant is open daily at 5 and has a brunch on the weekends. Just next to Catch is Cathedral Restaurant and Bar. The restaurant specializes in French cuisine. Cathedral honors the original restaurant located in New York City. Located on the casino floor is Din Tai Fung. This Taiwanese restaurant is noted for its steamed dumplings and noodles. The restaurant is open daily, starting at 11 a.m. Located on the casino floor near the elevators is the Aria Patisserie. The restaurant features pastries, fresh brewed coffee, juices, sandwiches, and salads. You also find a wide selection of sweets like cakes and gelato. The restaurant is open 24/7. There are two restaurants located near the Baccarat room just off the casino floor. Blossom features Chinese cuisine and offers a 100-dish lineup. Menu highlights include tableside Peking duck, oxtail hot pot, and Hong Kong-style Maine lobster. Lemongrass features Thai food and serves a mix of authentic and modern dishes. Highlights include Singapore noodles and shrimp pad thai. The restaurant is open daily for dinner, beginning at 5 p.m. Also located right on the casino floor is Javier's Fine Food of Mexico. Here you'll find steaks, enchiladas, handshaking margaritas, and a selection of the world's finest tequilas. Javier's is open daily, beginning at 11:30 a.m. Located in the casino near the poker room, you'll find Posh Burger. Menu items include the Lip Snacker, the Truffle Burger, Spicy Buffalo Fried Chicken Sandwich, and the Impossible Burger. Posh Burger is open daily, beginning at 9 a.m. Okay, that takes care of the casino level. Let's head up the escalator to level 2. The upper level is home to several restaurants as well as the convention center, spa, and the pool. Continuing with restaurants, our next stop is Salt and Ivy. Salt and Ivy is a casual restaurant that provides both indoor and outdoor seating. The restaurant is open for both breakfast and lunch beginning at 6 a.m. Carbone offers New York-inspired Italian food. Menu highlights include veal parmesan and spicy rigatoni vodka. Bordeaux Brasserie features French cuisine by award-winning chef Michael Mina. The menu features classic French cuisine, along with both New World and Old World wines. Menu highlights include beef Wellington, chocolate macaroon, and French toast. Jean-Georges Steakhouse offers 3 different types of beef from around the world, along with dozens of cuts and a selection of seafood. Proper Eats is a food hall offering various types of restaurants. The restaurants offer food from around the world, and there is plenty of room to eat your meal. Among the offerings at the food hall are Speakeasy Donuts, offering donuts, coffee, and cocktails. Egghead offers classic breakfast, including delicious egg-centric sandwiches from Manhattan. Soulbird offers Korean street food, specializing in high-quality chicken. Laughing Buddha features Japanese fare, including delectable ramen noodles. Lola's Burger features backyard burgers using premium beef. Pizza Aoki features Italian pizza by DJ and producer Steve Aoki. Wexler's Deli offers classic Jewish deli foods. Specialties include the Big Papa, the Uncle Leo, and the Mo Green. Tamaki Bar offers traditional sushi making, prepared counterside and made to order. Also located in the food hall is the Proper Bar. It features an oval bar and an array of high-definition TVs. There are also 2 Starbucks located on the upper level, one at the top of the escalators and the other near the convention center. And finally, we have the Pressed Juicery. The juices here are cold pressed using a custom hydraulic press. The Aria Resort is also home to several retail outlets. Terrain features ladies' apparel, jewelry, shoes, accessories, and cosmetics. Elements offers a variety of Aria merchandise and necessities. Radiance features luxury products from Breitling and Roberto Coin. Sundries Express carries snacks, beverages, sundries, wine, spirits, and more. Heading back to the second level, we come to the Spa and Fitness Center. The spa and salon at Aria is the largest Forbes 5-star spa in the world. This place is gigantic, and it offers a full-service spa with a menu of skincare and massage treatments. The spa also offers facials, as well as pedicures, manicures, and other services. You'll also find a full-service salon at the spa. Also located here is the Fitness Center. The Fitness Center features all of the latest workout equipment. Use of the Fitness Center is included in your resort fee, which is currently $45 per night. And finally, we come to the Aria Pool. Encompassing over 215,000 square feet, the pool complex at Aria is huge. There are 3 unique ellipse-shaped pools. 2 of the pools are for regular Aria guests, while the other pool is reserved for Sky Suites guests. In my opinion, this is definitely one of the best pool complexes in all of Las Vegas. Because the pool complex is so vast, you never feel crowded. And this is definitely not the case in many other Las Vegas pools. There's a nice laid-back and relaxing vibe at the Aria Pool Complex. This is a great escape from some of the hustle and bustle of other Las Vegas pools. So if you're looking for a great place to soak up the warm Las Vegas sun in a beautiful tropical oasis, then you've definitely come to the right place. In addition to the pools, there are several hot tubs at the Aria Pool Complex. And as you can see, these are nice sized hot tubs, so there's plenty of room to relax. There's also Liquid Pool, which is a reservation only 21 plus pool. There's also the pool bar located right in the middle of the pool complex. Food service is also available. The great thing about the Aria Pool is that there are plenty of loungers available. Reserved seating is also available, along with gazebos and cabanas. Prices vary depending on the season and the day of the week. Another reason why I like this pool complex is that there are plenty of trees, and sometimes when it gets to be 110, it's nice to be in the shade. Well, it's time to wrap up the video. I hope you enjoyed our tour of the Aria Hotel Casino, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. This is Traveling Joe saying thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.